IFSCA has released the short notification and the final notification is also on the way. Welcome to this session on IFSCA Grade A 2025. We'll be discussing about the exam dates, number of vacancies, eligibility pattern and cutoff of this particular examination. So video के end तक बने रहिएगा, and if you are having any kind of query, you can let me know in the comment section. If we talk about the vacancies, in the general stream there are 12 vacancies, in the legal stream there are 4, and information technology के अंदर 4 vacancies हैं, right? If we talk about the eligibility here, in the eligibility side we can see that master's degree with specialization in statistics, economics, commerce, business, administration, finance and econometrics, or bachelor's degree in IT, computer science, master's in computer application IT, or bachelor's degree with appearing in CS, CFA, CS and CWA. Eligibility criteria here is I can say a bit complicated. It can be easy as well, because in the last section they have clearly mentioned bachelor's degree in law or any other discipline from a recognized university. So basically bachelor's degree वाले eligible यहाँ पे हो जाते हैं, right? So eligibility criteria यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा complex दे रखा है. There are 12 posts as of now. There are 12 posts, and if we talk about the exam dates, so in this short notification which was released on 4th of September, they have already released the dates of the examination. You are having the phase 1 examination on 11th of October, which is Saturday. Okay, so let's suppose if we even calculate from 6th of September to 11th of October, there are 35 days for your preparation as of now. If we calculate from the 6th of September to the 10th of October, you are having 35 days for your preparation. I can say this is a very short period of time. Still, with the right mentorship, with the right guidance, with the right selection of the material and the video lectures, you can ace this examination, right? And if I talk about the phase 2, then the phase 2 is scheduled on 15th of November here. Again, you will be getting effectively 34 days in the phase 1 to phase 2 preparation. Okay, after phase 1, you will be getting 34 days in order to prepare for the phase 2 examination, right? So if we talk about the exam pattern, for the phase 1 we are having 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 we are having quant, English, reasoning and general awareness, that too with special focus on the financial sector. And you all know that I am already doing a finance current affairs session. Please do watch it. It can be helpful for your IFSCA examination as well. Finance current affairs are crucial part of your general awareness. So here we can see that all the 4 subjects are having equal weightage and equal number of questions will be asked, 25 each. You'll be getting 1 hour and the cutoff will be 30% for your phase 1 here. If I talk about the paper 2, okay, if I talk about the paper 2, you need to gain a cutoff of at least 40% in the paper 2. In paper 1 it was just 30%, in paper 2 it is 40%. So you'll be getting 50 questions and maximum marks 100. That means every question will be a 2-marker question here. You need to study the current events of national and international importance, economic and social developments, general knowledge, commerce and accountancy, management, finance, costing and whatnot. A lot of things are covered here. Indian economy, global economy, 5-year plan, central government initiatives and schemes relating to the financial sector. Again, it is focused more on the financial sector side, I can say, right? So guys, that's the phase 1 pattern. If I talk about the phase 2, again there will be 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is your English descriptive. This is a complete paper 1 is a complete descriptive paper of English, where you will be having the essay writing, précis writing and comprehension part, right? Maximum marks will be 100 and you will be getting 1 hour duration to complete this. Again, the cutoff will be 30% only, but the weightage that has been assigned to English descriptive is just 1/3, which is 33.33%. That means your paper 2 will be definitely impacting your final selection, right? Your paper 2 will be having more importance in your final selection, which is having the IFSCA Act, Union Budget, Economic Survey, Banking, Capital Market, Insurance related thing, pension related thing, Gift City, Gift IFSCA, a lot of things are there. Why? Because IFSCA is I can say a master regulator. If you are operating in IFSCA center, right, then IFSCA will be your master regulator concerning about each and everything, whether it's banking, right, So it's doing the work of RBI, SEBI, PFRDA, IRDAI and whatnot. So it's an amazing opportunity. You can learn multiple things in just one organization, and that's the only organization in India where you can have such a kind of vast exposure, right? 50 questions will be there of 100 marks. So again, every question will be a 2-marker question, 40% cutoff, and here the weightage is 2/3. That means 66.66% weightage you will be getting here in paper 2, right? So definitely you need to keep the paper 2 in the strong zone is what I can say here. If I talk about the cutoff, so the cutoff is quite straight. In the phase 1, the paper 1 and paper 2, an aggregate cutoff out of aggregate 200 marks. The aggregate cutoff will be 40%, which will be 80. In paper 1 you need to score 30% minimum, and in paper 2 you need to score 40 minimum, 40%. So this will be your qualifying phase. It's just a qualifying phase. Your deciding factor will be based on phase 2 of the examination, right? If I talk about 2024, if you are from the general category, your cutoff is 69.66 out of 100. From EWS, the cutoff is 62.33. From OBC, 68. And this is the cutoff from the, if you are from the SC and ST, right? 60.34 and 57.66 respectively. So this is the cutoff criteria, and here we are having the final cutoff. If you are from the general category, the cutoff is 72.44, and rest of the categories also you can have a quick look. So what I can say is this is a great opportunity, though the posts are quite less. I can say there are just 12 posts. Still, most of the people will be thinking like there are just 12 posts, and what's the sense of applying in this? And I can say that still many students will be getting selected in this particular organization. Plus the USP of this organization is you are working with a master regulator, right? You are working with a master regulator, and a great learning opportunity is there in this particular organization, right? Plus the salary part is also good with benefits and other perquisites. So let me know in the comment section, guys, in case if you are having any query. We'll be more than happy to resolve your queries, right? And we also do have courses related to IFSCA, so you can check out if you are looking for any kind of preparation course here, right? Do let me know about any of your queries. You can always reach out to us anytime. We'll be more than happy to discuss all your queries related to exam dates, vacancies, eligibility, pattern, cutoff, or anything else. Let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care. And start preparing for the IFSCA at the earliest, because I can say that 35 days is quite less time, though it is still manageable, right? 35 days is a lesser time, I can say, but still it is manageable with the right preparation, with the right guidance. So bye bye, guys. Take care. See you soon. Have a great day.